Hello. So this is going to be a short video showing the installation of Rust on Windows Subsystem for Linux WSL. First, we have a get started video. You can check down the link in the description. So first thing you do is to go to rustlang.org and then click install. Next, we scroll down and copy the script. This code is going to download a script to your laptop which install Rustop, and Rustop install Rust and its associated packages. So a screen is going to be displayed. We are going to click 1 to proceed with installation with default setting, 2 in case you intend to change the setting of the installation, and 3 if you want to cancel the installation. So for now, we'll be clicking 1. So after the installation is done, it's going to display Rust is installed. Now, great. What we are going to do is that you can restart your shell by exiting it, or you can run source. Then, for me, I'm using a ZSH shell, so I'm going to run ZSHRC. If you're using a bash RC shell, you're going to run bash RC. So I'm in a bash shell. Once this is done, we are going to check if it's installed. If the components are installed, we'll run C -version. Rust is installed. This is the Rust compiler, and then we'll run cargo -version. And we can see that cargo has been installed. Cargo is a package manager for Rust that manages dependencies. So now we are going to cd into desktop/Rust. I created a folder for this test. You can do that. And then we're going to create a new project using cargo new, and then the name of the project is a Hello World project. So now what we are going to do is we are going to type ls to check our directories, and then with our cargo created a new folder hello_world. We'll cd into this folder, change directory into this folder, mistake, hello_world. And then once we're in this folder, we are going to see that cargo created a cargo.toml file and an src folder. To test this, we'll just run cargo run. Hello World is going to be displayed. This shows the installation has been successful and everything went smoothly. You can follow up on this series for more tutorials on using Rust.